Welcome back to Disciple of Morango. Yeah. So I've kind of realized maybe I'm a bit dumb. And maybe is a big word, you know. It really is a big word because like okay, listen. This is not what I was looking for. I thought I had paint. Oh my god. Okay. So let's just think about this for a hot minute. We would need to call duration complete many times. This doesn't make any fucking sense. Why duration complete is not a part of the base item, call it an API if you'd prefer, makes absolutely no sense, right? This should be like a void, or we'll just call this a void. What do we have it in potions here? Let's just take a look. Duration. What int is this fucking returning? It's returning the duration, which is presumably 0. Yeah. Duration complete. So really, if we think about it, this is always going to be a part of the use, right? Because even the player being passed into this function is sort of odd. Same thing with use, right? I feel like this should probably more be one of these type of like get owner type of things. You know what I mean? So yeah, like an inventory has a parent. Maybe instead of parent, we should owner, parent, yeah, whatever. So when we create, maybe we should call this a parent. You know what we'll do is actually we'll call this in parent. And instead of owner, we'll call this parent. But you know, even instead of this, what we should do is in our inventory class or base item, we should have an F inventory pointer that is called parent. And this is sort of where I was thinking about stuff. Like realistically, let's be real. Let's look at like a shared pointer, right? Why are we not using shared pointers for this? I think this is a better idea. Is a smart pointer that retains shared ownership of an object through a pointer. The object is destroyed and its memory deallocated when either of the following conditions are met. The last remaining shared pointer owning the object is destroyed, which is never going to happen. The last remaining shared pointer owning the object is assigned to another pointer via whatever. I'm pretty sure this is never going to happen. Right? This should probably be a shared pointer if we're being super duper real. We'll just put that here. Should probably be a shared pointer. But you know what? For right now, we're just going to play this shit fast and loose. So anyways, we're going to come back to potions. And we are going to actually override this. Right? And even in private, let's just think about this. For in protected, whatever, we can say base player get player. We don't have that defined here. Base character is what it is. Character. Base character get player. Get character. I like get player. Yeah, maybe that's not the best way to go about your life, but you know what? I make a lot of bad decisions in my life, so it is what it is. The parent is equal to a null pointer. Yeah, that can breed some issues. Of a base item. It's going to equal a null pointer. Yeah, it doesn't like this. Yeah, well, you know, it's super duper fucking less than ideal, but I guess we're just gonna, um, we'll set the owner as an F inventory pointer, and we'll do like in owner, I suppose, and then we'll just set it. I don't like this. I really don't like this. We'll say parent equals in owner. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. We're just gonna move past it, I think. Yeah, I think we're just gonna keep going. Because use, right, duration complete needs to have some of the things from here, which is going to be delete this item. So in the base class here, we essentially just need to say the parent, which is actually the owner. Should it be parent? Oh my god, I'm completely forgetting what's going on now. Protected parents. Yes. So the parent, why doesn't this like it? Cool. So if the duration is complete, right? Because duration and durability are two separate things. So if the duration and durability are complete, So this should essentially return if duration, if durability equals 0, and then we say like this. You don't need the this, of course. But then we call like duration complete, right? And then we return 0. I don't know. I don't know. So we call duration complete. Yeah. Because what we should do is called super. Is what is it in C++? This is, so in potions here we want to say this is a void duration complete as an override, but this should be in protected duration complete. Definition of function not found. Yes. Because yeah. So this is true because the player here maybe should be a base character pointer. Right, and this is where we call parents. Right? Right? Because when you use, you don't really need to know these things, do you? But do you use the inventory? Okay, so this is a bit of a design dilemma, right? Because, yes, so we should use the inventory. So here, we should say the parent of parent, the parent, which is an F inventory pointer, the parent of my parent, which is going to not give me the thing that, yes, here is the parent, right? Or is it the parent of get parents, which is what it should be, right? It's going to return a base character pointer, which is going to be get parents. Maybe this should be const, just to be safe. Boop. This should then be return parents. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so now I should have the ability to completely ruin my fucking life and go date some big booty Latinas who are going to destroy my entire life. Where am I here in my code base? It might be time. Duration complete. Yeah, it might be time. Parent delete item. Okay. Now, base item, get player. No, sir. No, sir. It is not get player. It is get parent. That is what we are talking about here. We have to get the parent, not get the player. Get the parent. This is going to return the parent. That's only one space. That seems sus, but whatever. In the base item, we have the parent. In the potions, we have the parent. Okay. We have parent, get parent, do the thing. Here, we need to wow, that is not what I wanted. So what I want to do is come here and then not be a silly Billy and do this. Bam. Now, if durability equals 0 and duration equals 0, I don't like that. And the reason why is because it's duration complete and I pass the player, which I don't need to do. I just call duration is complete, right? So then what I do is I say, actually, this goes at the top. No. B is used goes like here. Durability can go at the bottom. Right. If is used, if not is used equals true. Then we perform this action, which is more like this. And we say if durability equals 0. If B is used as false, then we set use to be true. Then if the durability and the duration equals 0, duration is always going to be minus minus. Rolled value can only be, oh no, insert off, my guy. This can only be set once, right? So the durability So if the durability equals 0 and duration equals 0, we'll think about this durability thing later. All right, we'll think about this later. Hmm. Was reduced durability. Well, fuck. It sort of seems like I already thought about this. So, reduced durability is going to equal. So, durability minus equals reduce cool. And now where's role? Why is role complaining here? Set owner. Is it? I suppose technically that is true. Yeah, no, it's just being a bitch. Because like now we don't need it. Right now we just call use and we know what it's trying to use. So now we go to over here, right? And we say if duration complete I think we just say we print a warning calling base class of item not valid. Not valid. Whatever. We'll just say this for now. We should never be calling the base class of an item anyway, so it should be fine. All right. Give me the errors. Hit me. As I minimize it. La 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 la. Owner is not a type of inventory. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, give me the silly mistakes that I made. Okay, okay. What is it? You know what? We're just gonna skip that particular one for now. Let's go back up here. Inventory owner. You're right. It's called parent. Oh no, this is not a thing. That was a debugging tool that I made. Let's just accept this for a second. So what is this saying? Hold on. Void base item set owner. Oh. Oh, new. Okay, there we go. So that one's done. Whatever. Illegal reference of base item parent. I don't think that's true. Let's just rebuild lackety splat. Mm-hmm. Does not take one argument. Does not take one argument. Perfect. Perfect. Use does not take one argument. You're fucking right. It does not. And duration complete. Here, get item we call use again. Inherited. Oops. Inherited member is not allowed. Okay. Duration complete. What if I do this? Now are you going to stop being the bitch? Stop to be a bitch. Don't do that. I don't like it. I don't like you being the bitch. You big fat bitch. Duration complete. Not a valid. Inherited member types are not allowed. It's not a declared in potions. Must return a value here. We're going to return -1. So this doesn't like it. So I am retarded. Yeah, I know it's not declared, but like it's because public base item. This isn't protected. No? Am I retarded? Hmm. I must be retarded. That's not good. So in here, I can call. Am I crazy right now? Um. Hold on. Why doesn't... What am I missing? Am I crazy? Hold on. Let me just Google this real quick. I feel like I'm going crazy. Is it uppercase super? No. Hold on. Hold on. Is it actually super isn't a defined word, is it? Is it like base item duration complete? Is that actually how you call super? Oh man. You know, this is the problem with being like so deep into the weeds of Unreal Engine is that like you forget some of these like basic C++ things because you're so fucking used to just doing it the way that they do it. Um, Sorry, just here. I'm just Googling for a second to make sure that I'm not retarded, which I am, in case you're wondering. Okay. Hmm. Well, I might be crazy. Am I crazy? Inherited member is not allowed. Right? Because protected, resulting access inside of the subclass should grant me, but public should grant me protected status of protected items. No? Am I fucking crazy? I know that I am. Don't answer that. Let me sneeze. Oh, that was too much. Okay. Not declared inside of potions. Temp potion. Add item. Okay. To base item exists but is inaccessible. Which is why this needs to be public. Right? Like, why am I going crazy here? How the fuck can I not access this? Because public comes from public. Protected moves to protected, and private is private. Is not declared in potions. In potions, we have void, duration complete, override. And then here, we return nothing because there's nothing to return. This is wrong. This should be less than or equal to 0. Because the odds of me fucking this up at some point or another are way greater than this just working. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. This makes sense to me, I think. Yeah. So the rolled value for this, rolled value must equal 0. So if this is not use and rolled value, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see how this plays out. So, like, my idea is this can even be private, I think. You know, anyways, what I'm trying to say is that in reality, I don't call use in this manner, right? I essentially do this, right? We, how do you say? You go like while, list, how to, you know, we'll say like a vector of, it's like how do you say? It's like, while like used items, or maybe we'll say like active effects is greater than 0. You want to go kind of like player get inventory, use active items. This type of a thing is what I'm thinking about. So, obviously this doesn't work. So what we want to do is, I think, in the base items, in our inventory, first and foremost, we need to create a new private variable. We need to call this like active. We need to call this like active items, right? And here we'll just say like items used each turn until duration is 0. So in our base item, maybe this should be an int, right? If -1, it lasts forever. Because if durability is 0, it has to just fucking die. Right? Like, we can't have two different... That is an issue, yeah, because if our durability is 0, that means it's just dead. It's just DOA. It's just dead in the water. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, that's a weird one. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, it really makes you think, like, how much of this do we really need? I also, God, it's really starting to bother me that I'm using uint 8 underscore t instead of like byte. It's again, I understand that a lot of this is because like I'm an Unreal Engine developer, so I kind of have this tendency to just like revert back to Unreal Engine instead of like normal C++. Because normal C++ isn't as good in my opinion. I think in most people's opinions it's not. However, we'll just keep working with it. Um, what was I just doing? There was something I was just doing here in the thing. Yeah, so this issue of duration and get owner. This is for sure what it is. It's not get parent, it's get owner. It's going to be set owner. Why is this protected? Yeah. Yeah. I think it does. I think it is. Hmm. Yeah. That's my bad. And in base item, do we have parent? Should be owner. Oh shit, or is it parent? It's parents. Okay, yeah. That's my bad. We can set parents and we can get parents. We can return parents. Yeah. Yeah, so this returns an inventory. Okay. Yeah, so that makes more sense there. Yeah. Warnings can suck a dick. I don't give a fuck. Let's turn this shit off. Let's keep going. Yeah. Fuck warnings. Warnings can eat shit. Um okay. Yeah, so this can be a void. This can be like set character. Set parents rather. Just gonna do this. Boop. And here we're gonna say parent equals in parent. And we'll just pray that this works. Else shit will just be fucked. And we'll deal with it. We'll deal with it later. Whatever. These are private. Who gives a fuck? So back to our base item. We already have this like reduced durability thing. Which if always damage is true, then we just decrement durability. Which is sort of dumb. Right? Because we already had like durability minus equals be always damage. And then we can just get rid of that whole statement altogether. Right? Because it's just a Boolean. Then if it's not a success, then we add that. So, okay, why don't we just say if you do not crit, then okay, this might make more sense. If enrolled is 0, meaning we haven't done anything yet. Yeah. Yeah. Or you know what else you do is you say if not be. Oh no, but because an item could be used multiple times. Yeah. I should be okay. I suppose part of this is sort of unnecessary. Like, we could kind of just return a vector of strings that looked like name. Right. Oh, I gotta sneeze. One sec. So if we do something more like this, right? Right? I'm not crazy, right? That's just a normal. Yeah. Hmm. I stopped it for a little. Hmm. Anyways, duration complete. Calls delete item. So this will work in the exact same way that we thought about it before. We're just going to delete this delegate stuff because it just was not happening, apparently. Doo doo boo boo. Yes. Yeah, that should be okay. Parent, get parent, do a thing. This makes much more sense to me. Even though these two lines are wrong, but we're just going to leave that because it doesn't actually matter. So this is going to call duration complete. Rolled value minus equals or times equals -1. So we're just going to invert that value and flip back whatever we did. Base item, duration complete, which is going to call delete item. Yeah, because we need to override this, switch on the effect type, which we still don't know while that is actually set in our constructor. Which we really do need a read-write system for this game. But that's okay. It's okay. We can move past it. We'll get over it. I don't know how. There's one fly in my apartment somehow. It is the fucking middle of February. It is like minus like a gajillion outside. There, every time I leave the house, there is at least 12 inches, 30 centimeters of snow on my car. How the fuck is there one fly in my whole apartment? Fuck these things. I hate these little bastards. Let's keep going. So yeah, this makes more sense. So now we just call use essentially on tick. Now this means we need a set of active items, which is going to be called each turn. We're just going to put a little thing here. We're going to call this tick, even though that's not true, until duration is 0. So maybe base items should have a duration. It should have the ability to be negative. So what we're going to do is we're going to say on use here, when we use an item, which is always going to be overridden. We're going to call we are going to say our parent add active this. So what I'm going to say is the active items, we're going to push back to add. Then we're going to say void f inventory. Oops. Remove active. Just going to take a base item to remove. It's going to call remove item to remove. That's really all this has to do. Right. I think that makes sense. You know, we have an extra function that's sort of kind of not needed. However, it sort of describes what's happening. Yeah. And, the inventory is going to need some function that is called, like, we're going to call this tick. Void tick. And that's exactly what this is going to do. It's just going to tick. So, is this inherited? It's always tricky. So what we kind of want to do is go like for auto, for auto. They're going to end up being pointers. We'll just say pointer. We'll say item in the active items. We'll say item use. Right? Because when we use an item, we'll say like if not B is active, we can add this as an active item. Or what do we call it in potions? Oh, tits. Oh, no. B is used. So we'll say like if not. So this is where use needs to be overridden a lot. So yeah, B is used should actually be called B is active. Yeah, B is active. Because you can presumably use an item many times, though it can really only be active once. B is active. So in here, we should say bool B is active. And in base item, we'll just say equals false. Something like this makes sense, in my opinion. Expected an open brace. No, I think you're fucking retarded. Yep, you're retarded. Fuck you. Even if you were right a second ago, you're still retarded. Fuck you. Fuck you, Clang. GCC, whatever it is. Oh, shit. That might be my bad. Function must return a value. This is the problem with unsigned integers, is that it becomes difficult to return error codes. Very difficult indeed. I feel like, can cross this bridge when we come to it. Yeah, because I understand this is going to be a problem. This as well. It's okay. Yeah, it really is okay because a lot of these things don't particularly matter. They really don't. Like, almost everything here is just sort of wibbly wobbly. We can get over it. They really can. Okay. So let's just think about this for a second. A hold cold hot minute. It's got to be cold and hot or else it don't make sense. Let's just compile. Let's see how bad I fucked up. I think I just compiled, didn't it? It should be fine. It should be fine or I'm totally dead. We've compiled an item and put, yeah, we're fine. We're fine. We're totally fine. Yeah, warnings can eat shit. Okay. If it's not active, we're going to add that it is active to the parent. And we're going to return the durability minus equals what is duration complete exactly? Oh no, not duration complete. Minus equals reduced durability, right? And even in rolled, we already know what the rolled value is. Do we not? Is that not a stored value of our base item? Bro, it is not. Okay, so here's an interesting point, right? Is so we have these two things. Okay, hold on. Right? We have these two different things, right? We have rolled and we have duration. Duration, right? So, but we also have durability. Okay. If we roll a 2 die 4, oh, bro, a 2 die 4, which in this case is going to equal a 7. Let's say our base durability is 32 for no reason, but the duration is 3 turns. This is going to be turn 0, right? Turn 1, this is a 7. This is a 31. This is a 2. This is a 7. This is a 30. This is a 1. This is a 7. This is a 29. This is a 0. Hmm. You know, it's an odd problem. Because even still, this might be this could be plus or, you know, like not plus or not plus. Hold on. This could be negative or not negative 1 all the way down, right? To where this could be negative or not negative 1. So this could realistically be somewhere in the range of, God, the eraser on this program is so bad. I should just go back to using nothing but Photoshop, but I just can't be bothered. So this could be anywhere between, this could be, oh, Jesus fucking Christ. This could be like 32. Really? Anywhere from 32 to 29, right? How is one smaller than the other? I don't even understand. Okay. Yeah, I don't get it. How is it so much smaller? I really am so confused. Right? And then we proceed. Right? And then we proceed. So, whatever. Um, step 4 is like a 3, which could be, we'll just say it's like 28. And then the duration could be like 3 again. But we have to somehow like lock this out. This could be a weird issue, right? Okay. Maybe we're getting too lost in the weeds with this. I think we are. I think we're getting way too lost in the weeds. We just got to keep going. Keep plucking away. 1 second. Okay. I've been thinking about this for a hot minute. Look. Look. I cannot keep typing uint8 underscore t. I can't do it. Okay, I don't have the fortitude. Same thing with string. String, STD string can fuck right off. What if we just type def this? Right? Everything includes types.h. What if we just type def our way through this? Like, in types. You know, what if we just pull some bullshit? Like, what if we just type def UN8 underscore T it's just byte, and then it's whatever we want it to be, right? Am I going crazy? Like we sorry. Alt Shift R. Rename this to byte. Like, what if we just rename this? Hmm. Yeah. I think this is better. And the reason is because it makes more sense in my head. Only because my whole career, a UN8 in my mind is a byte. Even though I know that's not, you know, like I get it. I get that what I'm thinking is wrong. However, my entire professional career and the majority of my education is focused around Unreal Engine. And a UN8 is, they just call it a byte. It fucking is what it is. Okay? It is what it is. Even a string. Hmm. We're not going to go down this rabbit hole. However, we should consider remaking vectors and strings. Oh man, do we just do it right now? But we don't even do that, do we? Because if we were to remake vectors, right, we would do like, it'd be like a T array. No, it's not type. It's uh is it type name type def, or is it the other way round? Um I think it's the other way around, right? Type. Oh, it's templates, right? Yeah. We need to recreate. We need better arrays. Okay, you know what? Is it a waste of time? Hmm. You know, the problem with this is that it's like, okay, if we're going to do this, we may as well do string. And if we're going to do string, if we're going to do vector, right, we may as well do string. And if we're going to do string, we, we may as well just fucking go hard. Yeah. Like, oh, fuck. Yeah, you don't really want to go down that path because it's going to get spicy real quick. Yeah, let's just not play that fucking game for now. Even inventory, why it starts with an F, it shouldn't. So this is undefined. An inventory that takes nothing but money. Uninitialized. Variable parent equals null pointer. Okay, cool. Yeah. This is a bullshit function. We do need a tick. Yeah, we do need to create a way to have a global tick. Or even still, like. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's just fucking get through what we were working on. Close the weapon on base item. Okay, we'll scroll down. We need to set the parent. Okay. Set parent is here. Get parents. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's my bad. So use cool beans. Cool. So yes, this use whatever the fuck. Now we need to use if the item is not active, we're going to add it to the active items and reduce durability minus equals reduce durability. This seems to make sense. Once enrolled is kind of dumb because this should be current rolled, right? And this should return a byte of current rolled And this should return a constant. Yeah, there's a set. It should be odd to do. However, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Set current rolled, get current rolled, something like this. So in my potions dot header, use. See, this is the issue, right? Is that when you use an item, the minimum rolled is 1, no matter what, because it's either a 1 die X or S die N. So it can never be less than 1, right? Because all dice are R by S. So this is rolls by the sides, right? So if you have R equals 1, that means the min equals 1 no matter what, right? S to infinity, the min, man, the min of R equals 1. No matter what, the minimum of R must always equal 1. So this is going to be good. So if this is not active, we add it to the active. And we come up with the reduced durability, which is the current rolled. Yeah. Oh, give me the errors. Oh, give me the errors, sweet witchy woman. Oh, make me regret my life, sweet, beautiful, thunder-thighed moth mummy. Make me hate it. Mmm. Does that work? I love C++. Yeah, that's fun. Does not take one argument. Yeah. We're going to address this in a hot minute. That's okay. Get rolled. Set current rolled. Okay. So let's go to our potions. Durability. Is duration in here? Current rolled. Hmm. Okay. Duration and current duration. Hmm. Oh, that's an interesting point. Where do we draw the line? Duration and current duration. In duration. Hmm. Yeah. You know, I think this kind of just means the base class continues to grow. And you just sort of deal with this shit. Int duration equals 0. Int in duration equals 0. In What is it? Current duration equals 0. Oh, oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it's good shit. Hmm. Oh yeah, feel dirty, feel nasty about it. Yeah, that's how you should feel, just like that. Because let's be real, it's gonna get nasty. It's gonna get real nasty. Like we've been cheating our way through a few steps. Oh, it's gonna get worse, baby. Oh, it's gonna get way worse. You hear me, darling. It's gonna get nasty. There are gonna be words that you cannot repeat. Okay. Item is fucked. Hmm. Base item. What is the base item? Really? What is it? Yeah. We're gonna have a problem here. So we need to get the duration of items, right? Parents, owner. Ooh, shit. Yep. Tell me what's wrong. Almighty compiler. Tell me, GCC. Tell me the problems of my ways. Tell me the problems. Explain to me, dear goddess. Yes, I am wrong. Tell me what's wrong. Huh? Mm, yeah, it's fair enough. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Yep. Let's see what else. Hit me. Make me feel like I'm the problem. Yes, I'm the problem. Boo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Okay. So in rarity, we end here. Effect type here. In duration. Effect type. Is that how you spell effect? I don't think it is. I think it's two F's. Yeah. Effect. Yeah. Let's go. Let's keep rolling it. Oh, we got some fucking errors to work through. Let's go for it. They're dumb fucking errors, by the way. They're not real problems. Rolled value undefined because it should be current rolled. And compile. One at a fucking time. Yeah. Trailing identifier illegal. Okay. Try that. Looks good. Okay. Duration. Int duration. In duration. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. It's actually pretty good. Okay, so what is it? Hmm. Name, value, weight, durability, use, crit, always, rarity, duration, in current duration, owner, in owner. Why does it not believe? Why does it hate me so? I think I gave it a fair chance. Oh, it hates me even more now. Um, so in name, value, weight, durability, use, crit, always damage, rarity, in duration, current duration, in owner. in name, value, weight. Durability, use, crit, always damage. Rarity. Duration is in duration. Yeah? No. Very much no. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Those errors don't count. Um, these errors do. So, base item, duration is a non-static class member of potions. In effect type, in rarity, in rarity, Mm. So my potion is going to inherit always damage, rarity. OOP can suck a dick. It's such a pain in the ass. Oh my god. So much dick. So much pain. So much ass. It never ends. There's all the dick, all the pain, all the ass. And I just want to say, girls, I get it. I get it. It's okay. Ladies, I understand why you don't want to slave away. understand why, men will fucking waste their lives. And, why we'll spend 100 or 1,000 hours, 10,000 hours, which is really only 4 years of our lives, slaving away at some justified cause. I get it. I get it. Shit sucks. Like this right now. This shit sucks. It sucks, dick. I have to deal with constructors. Hold on. Let's compile. Let's compile and then let's hate our fucking lives. Base item. Name, value, weight, durability, use, crit, be always damage, rarity, in duration, current duration. Okay. Okay. Yep. In duration. Hold on. In rarity. In current duration. Yep. Always duration. Always damage. In rarity. In duration. In current duration. Owner. So effect type. Should maybe be the top. Okay. Let's do that. Let's try it. Hell no. Okay. No. Okie dokie. Um. Ooh, not good. Um. So it's like name equals this. Yeah. It is what it is, I guess. Not good. All right, so I hope you'll have a good night. I'm gonna fix up these like silly billy little errors because they're typos essentially, and I'll catch y'all in the morning. Love you all very much. Love y'all.